In the video you are about to watch, the DPK 3043 gear pump will be assembled with a right-hand rotation. Ensure that the pump parts are clean. The pressure plate and M-ring Teflon channel should be lubricated to prevent them from coming out of place during assembly. First, install the M-ring, followed by the Teflon material. If installed incorrectly, the parts will not fit properly into the channel. Please be careful. After preparing the pressure plate, the M-ring and Teflon should be installed with the M-ring and Teflon facing downward. The pump should be assembled with the long and short gears for right-hand rotation. The pressure plate for the upper part should be installed in the same way as it was for the lower part. The cover seal should be lubricated before installation. The seal should be installed with its front face facing inward using a hydraulic press tool or seal installation tool. Ensure that the seal is not deformed during installation. Next, install the washer and the hole segment to complete the seal installation. To ensure that the segment fits properly into its channel, apply pressure with an appropriate tool. There are two set-screw screw connection holes on the cover. The part leading to the pressure line should be sealed with set screw. The cover O-ring should be lubricated to prevent it from coming out of its groove during installation and should be seated properly in its channel. The cover is now ready for installation. The cover should be carefully attached to the body. Tighten the 8M10 bolts that connect the cover and the body. Finally, install the conical gear pin, plastic cover, washer, nut, and plastic plugs to complete the assembly. Thank you for watching.